Hi guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to resize your image professionally in Photoshop regardless of the size you're going for. So without wasting much time, let's just get to it. So at first, once you have your image that you want to resize just like this, the next thing for you to do is to create a new document, which I'm just going to come to my file right here, then I'll click on the new. So after clicking on the new, it's going to take me to this new document dialog box right here. So this is where you will get to size the way this new document will be. So for me, I just want it to be at 16 by 20. So, and also in inches. And for the resolution, I like keeping it in a very high resolution. So I'm just going to come right here and click on create. So after creating this, I'll come to my image right here. Then I'm just going to drag it down to the new document just like this. And once you drag it down, the next thing to do is to press and hold your command T just to transform this image. So after transforming this image, make sure you don't just go ahead on resizing it just like this. You can see the image is looking straight and doesn't make or allow it to look professional. So I'm just going to undo that by just clicking on my command Z. So to resize this image properly, you click and hold your shift and alt key to resize this. After clicking on it, then I'm just going to drag it down to when it fits the size just like this, because I just want it to fit this size right here. So just like this. Then once I'm done right here, I'm just going to click on OK. So you guys can see how it's looking, and I'm just going to zoom in to show you the texture. So the texture is still intact. So let me zoom this out. So this is how I get to resize my image. Even if I want to frame an image, this is actually how I get to resize it. So thank you guys for watching. I hope this video is helpful. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and also give a like on this video if it's helpful. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Stay tuned.